I have young children myself. One of them loved swimming, the other was really nervous and didn't like the water. I myself love swimming. I just think that all children need to learn to swim. So with my youngest, who didn't like the water at all, when she first started, having a teacher able to gain her confidence was wonderful. I thought I want to do that too. There was lots of technical stuff that we learnt through the training, but we also learnt lots of stuff on child development, so physical development, emotional development, and how that impacts the children when they're in the water. My local franchise have been really, really supportive. There's always someone to talk to, they share lots of information, lots of co-teaching, whether it be via emails, phone calls, coming down to the pools. They literally support you with every aspect. If someone wants to train to be a teacher, I would say just go for it. The training is really good, lots and lots of fun. You learn so much, you won't regret it. Who do the kids like most? You or me? Me.